AI is so incredibly overpowered, and I'm about to show you exactly why that is by revealing the easiest and fastest ways to make money using AI. Number 1. Freelancing with AI tools. Freelancing is one of the quickest ways to start making money online, and AI has made it easier than ever. Freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are brimming with people looking for services that you can now deliver faster and more efficiently using AI tools. For example, use ChatGPT to write blog posts, social media content, or even email campaigns. You can create high-quality written content in a fraction of the time it would normally take you. If you're into design, Canva's AI Magic Write can help you craft attention-grabbing visuals with captions in minutes. No need for a background in graphic design, AI helps you create like a pro. And if you're in the audio or podcasting space, tools like Descript use AI to automatically edit and enhance audio files, saving you hours of tedious work. The best part? You don't need to be an expert to get started. AI handles the heavy lifting, so you can focus on hustling and scaling up your freelance business. Charge anywhere from $50 to $500 per project depending on the service, and watch your income grow. Number 2. Selling AI-generated art. Who says you need to be a skilled artist to make money selling art? With AI tools like Midjourney and DALL-E, you can create stunning artwork without knowing how to draw a single line. Here's how you can get started. 1. Use AI to generate niche-specific art, whether it's fantasy landscapes, custom portraits, or abstract designs. 2. Sell your art on platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, or Printify, where customers are always looking for fresh, unique designs. 3. Bonus tip: offer custom artwork services. Personalized art always sells for a premium, and people love custom-made gifts or decor pieces. AI is a game changer for aspiring artists, enabling anyone to produce high-quality art for a fraction of the time and effort it would normally take. Whether you're creating prints for sale or offering custom commissions, there's big potential here. Number 3. Creating and selling online courses. If you have knowledge in a specific area, AI can help you create and sell your own online courses in no time. Platforms like Teachable or Udemy allow anyone to become an instructor and profit from their expertise, and AI makes course creation so much easier. Here's how you can get started. 1. Use ChatGPT to write your course scripts, lessons, and study guides in just a few minutes. 2. Use Pictory.ai to create engaging video content, complete with voiceovers and visuals. No video editing skills required. 3. Market your course with AI-powered tools like AdCreative.ai to create high-converting ads that will attract students to your course. Once your course is live, you'll start earning passive income. It's an excellent way to leverage your knowledge in AI to generate ongoing revenue with minimal effort. 4. Affiliate marketing with AI. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online, and using AI to boost your efforts is a total game changer. Here's how you can harness AI to boost your affiliate marketing income. 1. Use AI tools like WriteSonic or Jasper to quickly generate blog posts, YouTube scripts, or social media content that promote the products or services you're affiliated with. 2. Add affiliate links to your content. These could be anything from Amazon products to high-ticket SaaS subscriptions or even AI software you use and love. 3. Use tools like Serve for SEO or Grammarly AI to optimize your content for search engines and ensure you rank higher, driving more traffic and increasing your commissions. As your content ranks, you'll earn commissions every time someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase. It's like setting up a money-making machine, and the best part? AI helps you do it faster and smarter. 5. Social media management with AI. Social media management is in high demand, and AI can make you an even more valuable asset to your clients. With tools like Buffer or Hootsuite, you can manage multiple accounts effortlessly. Here's how you can get started as a social media manager using AI. 1. Schedule posts automatically using AI-powered platforms like Buffer or Hootsuite. No more manually posting at odd hours. 2. Use Canva AI to design stunning visuals and ChatGPT to craft catchy captions and replies. 3. Automate customer service and support with AI chatbots like Tidio or Gorgias to handle inquiries 24/7. By automating the most time-consuming tasks, you can scale your social media management business and charge $500 to $2,000 per month per client. As you gain more clients, you can keep using AI to manage even more accounts. 6. Start a faceless YouTube channel. YouTube is an amazing way to make money, and you don't even need to show your face or be on camera. With AI tools, you can start a channel, create content, and monetize it without ever appearing on screen. Here's how. 1. Use ChatGPT to write your video scripts. 2. Use Pictory AI or InVideo to turn your scripts into fully produced videos. no camera or editing skills needed. 3. Use AI-generated voices like Murph or Well Said to narrate your videos and make them sound professional. Choose a niche like tech, life hacks, tutorials, or educational content. Once you hit that sweet spot, YouTube monetization options like ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate links will start flowing. And with AI doing most of the heavy lifting, all you need is creativity and consistency. 7. Launch an e-commerce store with AI. Selling products online is a proven way to make money, and with the help of AI, you can do it faster and smarter than ever. Whether you're drop shipping or selling your own creations, AI tools will take care of much of the hard work. Here's how you can start. 1. Use AI to research trending products in your niche and predict what will sell well. 2. Write compelling product descriptions with the help of ChatGPT, making your listings stand out from the competition. 3. Automate customer service with AI-powered chatbots like Tidio or Gorgias to answer questions and process orders 24/7. By incorporating AI into your e-commerce store, you can save time and focus on growing your business. The AI tools handle customer support, product research, and content creation, allowing you to focus on scaling your profits. Boom! That's 7 ways to make money online with AI, even if you're a complete beginner. Whether you're freelancing, selling art, creating courses, or starting an e-commerce empire, AI is your ultimate sidekick. So, what are you waiting for? Start small, experiment, and watch your income grow. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and comment below which AI money-making idea you're trying first. Until next time, happy hustling!